Amsterdam Drone, which is really important to us because this is where we be able to connect with the partner, especially international partner.
The global approach is very important, and we very much appreciate this Amsterdam Drone Week.
It creates the visibility that this technology is not fantasy or science fiction. You wouldn't spend so much money and so many efforts to bring these people together if you would believe it's not happening. It's happening already.
First, it's all about collaboration. We need all stakeholders to make this happen.
You really got a nice combination of the people that are developing the technology, the operators that are flying, and the regulators that are trying to make those flights possible.
I think we've had some very excellent conversations. Everybody is here. You can start having these conversations with different people and draw them in, so it's invaluable from that perspective.